Okay, before I start, I would like to say that this is not a sponsor video or investment advice. This is what I'm personally doing and should be taken as educational purposes only. Um, I just want to say I found this great project. It's basically a hashtag NFT on the Binance Smart Chain. It's the world's first performance-based NFT, also the first data-driven NFT on the Binance Smart Chain. It's a great project. Basically you buy a hashtag and you register it on the Binance Smart Chain, and you own the rights to that hashtag. You can collect them, trade them, stake them. You can earn tag coins from the performance on Twitter. As much as people use your hashtag on Twitter, you the more you earn tag coins. So the more popular your hashtag is on Twitter and more constantly used, you the more tag coins you'll be making. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to buy a hashtag and register it on the Binance Smart Chain using the MetaMask and the what is it, Binance Smart Chain wallet. Sorry. and and also wanted to show you guys some cool websites I found that were makes your searching for hashtags a little bit better. So to let the performance of each hashtag, it'll show you how popular they are, and how constantly they're used, and the percentage of the popularity and the frequency of them. So this way you can see if it's worth purchasing, and the higher the percentage they're used on Twitter, the more possibility you have of making more tag coins. So therefore increasing your investment and possibly getting that return on investment a lot faster back. So just wanted to share that with you guys, and where to find this. I'll share all the links below, and I wanted to also tell you a little bit about this project, but not too much. I just wanted to make a short video to show you how to register a hashtag on the tagprotocol.com website. And if you guys want to know more about the tag protocol, I recommend you guys go to this website called networkmoney.me, and I'll put a link below to it's basically an article explaining what is the tag protocol and how you can earn daily rewards from your Twitter hashtags, and a little bit about what are NFTs, and how you're going to be earning tag coins, and how to register your hashtags, how to buy and sell, and for me, which is more important, and it tells you the tag coin production rate, which is located right here on the website. So you can see on the first year, you'll be making well, not you personally, well, everybody in the network. They'll be releasing from the first year. They'll be releasing every hour 1,000 tag coins, and daily that'll be 24,000 tag coins, and yearly that will be 8,760,000 tag coins. So that will be a whole circulation of 8,760,000 tag coins a year. And as you can see, every year after that, it just keeps on decreasing. So the supply. So basically, it will be similar to Bitcoin, as is stated here. We have it regular on a regular basis, making the tag coin an inflationary asset, which in terms when it will make the coin worth a lot more in the long run. So the longer you hold these tag coins, the more the will be worth, and not only your hashtags. I mean, your tag coin will be worth more, but also your hashtags. So you'll be not on, you will be able to purchase them for $200 and possibly sell them for thousands of dollars, and depending on the popularity and how often these hashtags are used on Twitter. But I mean, they might even in the future they might be able to also use Instagram or Facebook or integrate it with those networks, but or social medias, whatever you want to call them. But the tag coin protocol might be a governance token. I'm not so sure on that, but you may want to look it up or ask the support team. And I do recommend you guys follow them on Twitter, which you could get the latest news and updates on their project. As you guys can see here, yeah, they also have staking and hashtag mining. Sorry, stake your hashtag and mine your tag coin coming soon, which you guys can find on the homepage here, which is in 72 days and 9 hours and 34 minutes from now. You can also find many the light paper. You can also go on Gitbook and uh, do research on your hashtags before you purchase them here. And if, for example, let's say you wanna, I don't know, for as you can see, I'm already researching some. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna buy two hashtags on here at the same time, so that way you guys can save on some fees. For example, let's do training. Okay, training, get it. It's available. Congratulations, it's available. And as you can see, the popularity, training 73%. And it is case sensitive. So if you, as you guys can see, this is training here in lowercase and capitalize the first letter here, and then it's all capitals here, which is less used, as you can see. So you guys got to be careful. The the wording you put it, how you put it, with lowercase or capital letters. So it's so that makes a big difference, guys. So as you can see, it's 80%. To me, anything above 70%, I totally recommend you guys purchase it, because you'll it's gonna be constantly used on Twitter, and that means more money for you guys coming in. Well, that was it. Just wanted to show you guys this article. But if you guys want to find more about the tag protocol, I suggest you guys come here, and I'll link the link below. And these yeah, I already menu. Okay. And so let's go here. Let's go to the main back, and let's go back inside. And okay, so in order to use this Tap Protocol website, you need to have a MetaMask, and you have to have it with your Binance Smart Chain. So once you have the uh, Binance Smart Chain installed already on your MetaMask, you'll be able to use the application. And also another one would be the Binance Smart Chain. Sorry, the Binance Chrome extension wallet as well. But you guys got to make sure it's on the Binance Smart Chain in order to use and interact with this website. So for now, I'm just going to use the MetaMask wallet, and you guys got to press on Launch App, and then you will go press on MetaMask, or if, for in case you do use this one up here, you would have to use this one, Binance Smart Chain wallet. But for me, I'm going to be using the MetaMask. Okay, so I'm already logged in. But when you guys first register, it's gonna ask you to enter a referral code, and I'll put my referral code down below. You have to put a referral code in order to move on to the next step, and I'll make sure to link that below so you guys can use mine, and I would really appreciate it. Um, and I gotta thank you guys for using it if you guys do. Uh, Pretty much, let me walk you through the dashboard. So you go through this is my account dashboard, and you guys can see my balance and how many register hashtags I have. I'm rank one, and the ranking goes as how many I believe on how many referrals you have. And if you guys go back to the article, you guys will see. Let's go back to it. Actually, I don't even have it anymore. So okay, so it's just rank on you'll find all that information on the article about ranking, referral ranking, and you discover your hashtags. It's the same thing. Here you can find the same as I was showing you before. For training, you just put search, and if it's available, it will show you all the stats about it, if it's worth buying, and it is popular here. So this is the one I'm gonna be purchasing. But for now, I just want to show you guys. Let me just go back. I want to show you more of the dashboard here. My hashtags. This is the only one I have purchased so far. You'll find all your hashtags here with the token ID next to it. And this is where you get your referral link. This is my referral address and my referral link here. This is what you guys are gonna share. And I'll put all this information down below. But you can also find the levels right here. As you can see, I'm level 1. But you guys can find the more referrals you guys get, the better percentage of commission percentage you'll get. So that's how that works. So I believe, I mean, there's more information about it on the article. Just don't want to make this video too long. And you can also check your referrals here. As you can see, I have no referrals so far. And your referral tree, actually, I never seen that one before. Okay, so I'm guessing it'll be going down below here. But I have no referrals so far. Track other wallets. You just put your other wallet here, and you can find your more of information about your referrals. I'm guessing your other hashtags as well. Your referral transactions, so and so. Okay, let's go back to discover hashtags. Actually, let's register a hashtag here. Well, discover hashtags. Okay. So like I was saying, now I'm going to purchase training, but I just want to see you guys see the whole process. Okay. So so I see it's available. So what I would do, there's this website here. It's called hashtag Giphy.me. I'll put the link below. But like, let's say you guys have a hashtag in mind and you guys find that it's available, you guys come here. It is free to use, but you can only use it 3 times. And if you want to continue to use it, I recommend you guys go to your history and clear cache and clear your history so you can continue to use it. I found that to be the only way to continue to use it. It also keeps on making you to sign up if you want to continue to use it. So after that, I put training, and you guys will see it gives me the stats of it as well, just like it did on Tag Protocol. The popularity, anything like I said above 70%, that to me is well worth it. And the reason I'm getting this one is because there's also another website. You see the recent popularity of it. It's very popular, 50%. Another popularity, 70%. And to me, this is one I constantly use on Twitter, and I do see it's very popular among women and men on Twitter, always posting about themselves training at the gym. And so I'm gonna put it here as well. And this is another cool website. It's called ingrammer.com, and as you can put, make sure you guys click on this one, which is hashtag generator. And once you're there, then you put the hashtag you guys are interested in. You look generate hashtag, and it tells you how popular it is. So great. Let's just give you another one. For example, one that I constantly use as well. Awesome. Okay, it's not working. Okay, well, it'll give you all the stats here, and it gives you in millions or thousands or how many times it constantly be used. I'm guessing because I ran out of my tries here. And also you can hashtag trends or hashtag details. Click on any one of those. You find more information on how often the hashtags are being used. Another website is here that I also found was called keywordtool.io. I'll put the link below as well, and you guys can see there's a Twitter tab here. You guys can put, and there's another the hashtag that I own, and if you research it, you'll see that it gives you other suggestions as well to use. But this is one you have to pay for, which I mean, it's up to you if you want to pay for it or not. There's no referral code for anything like that on this one, so I mean that's up to you guys. But I did find once I purchased quotes, I found that quotes was actually more popular than quotes and more often used. So hey, if it wasn't for that, I would have not found it. So it's a stupid just for the nest. But yes, I'm end up buying that one as well. But it's used a lot. I believe it's used about. Let me see if I could get this one to work. Yeah, still not working for some stupid reason. Okay, maybe I could get it to work here. Show you guys. Okay, let's see if I can get it to work here. All right, got it to work. So as you can see, it's frequently used, so 126 million times. And the other one that I'm gonna be purchasing is it's training, and as you can see, it's 117 million times. So I mean, those two alone, it's gonna be bringing me a lot of tag coins, a lot of income because they're very popularly used on Twitter. Let's get out of this one, get it out of that. And so those are the only those 3 websites I recommend using. So you guys can take advantage of those tools, free tools, so you guys can see if it's worth purchasing the hashtag or not. And do keep in mind that each hashtag is worth $200. So I'll be purchasing quotes and training. So let's go back and then just go to register hashtags. And you guys can purchase up to 4 hashtags, and you just add the space, as it just tells you right there. Search up to 4 hashtags and add a space to separate them. So first mine is training, and the other one is quotes. Okay, search training and quotes. Oh, actually, I guess you have to purchase them separately. I'm not sure here, but well, let's give it a shot. Training. Okay, so you just click on register now, and you see, you press confirm. Okay, transaction went through. And another one I'm gonna be purchasing is quotes. You guys got to make sure you guys have enough Binance in your wallet, or else the transaction won't go through. Okay, so transactions went through. Took about maybe 3 minutes actually to complete. So that was pretty much it. Just wanted to show you guys that. As you can see, still the confirmations are still coming through. But if I go to my hashtags, you guys can see that all three of my hashtags I just purchased are there. And once let's see, go back. Let's disconnect. And once the staking goes live, you guys will be able to stake your hashtags and earn some tag coins on and you will start seeing them come in on your dashboard once they go live. Which I strongly recommend you guys look into this project. It looks very promising, and I mean it's the first player when it comes to NFT. What is it? Sorry, it is the first data-driven NFT on Binance Smart Chain. So I mean that alone is the first mover advantage. So you guys might want to look into it. Another suggestion, you get like I said before, do follow them on Twitter, Medium, and on Telegram to get the latest updates and news on what's going on. I mean, you guys gonna start making a lot of money on this one because there's still a lot of hashtags not that are not taken. As you guys can see here, there's only 2,000 registered hashtags and 541 users. So I mean, it's still early, guys. You guys may want to jump on this and start looking for some hashtags. I just recommend buy one or two, and you go from there and see how it works. Fill it out. If it's not for you, then it's not for you. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe and like, and I hope you guys found it very informative. And let me know below to see if any other videos you guys might want me to do about tag protocol because I do find this project very interesting.